your glory. We the Amazonian, pledge our loyalty. Praises to our Savior who granted us the freedom. And legends to the hero who bowed the lonely diablo. Glory to glory, we rise and never to fall. Here in the nation, flowing rivers and holy. Glory, glory, glory to the Father for making you a nation, a joy forevermore. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall even plenty meet in our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation. Ambazonia, land of freedom, you shall even plenty meet in our need, and your children shall be like the stars above. The Most High God being the watchman of His nation.
My fellow Ambazonians, good evening for all man. Good evening for all our big papa them and our big mommy them. Good evening for all our uncle them and our auntie them. Good evening for all our big brother them and our big sister them. Good evening for all our neighbor them. For all Ambazonian picking them. Una good evening for this number 23 day. When a Monday for the number 23 day for the month of for November. So I want to talk to you. I can salute all una. A fresh day. Today be been a ghost town. It be now the day where people they show collective resistance. It be now the day where people that they tell the world and la Republic du Cameroon say they don't decide. Say freedom. Now we Ambazonian people they want them. Today now the day where all our mommy them, our papa them, all our business buy them, sell them, all our business people them, all people that they go work. Now the day where all man they shit on for house for us observe the Independent Day ghost town. So we want to thank all our people them for the big ghost town where they get them today, as they get them every Monday for show that collective resistance, for show saying that the people they don't rise up for actual their independence. So all man una come fine, una come well. The story today, na Monday, so we'll get a lot for we for talk about. We'll get a lot of big news that they don't come off for America. We'll go start with the news, the good news where they come up for that side for America, where it will be really big good for the Ambazonian people. Then we'll go take when I go for La Republique du Cameroon. We show na the kind country where that way Paul Biya don't create them, the legacy where Paul Biya don't live on for that people them. And then we'll go carry una, we go for Kumba. Kumba again, yes, again for K-Town. We'll go again for K-Town. We'll meet up for Weti Mami for Kumba. Yes, now we're gonna two Mami them for Kumba. The one way he do objection. And then Mami we don't tell Paul Biya say, make Paul Biya shut up, say Ambazonia in a separate country. We go to bring una that story. We go to give una the deepest analysis for Weti be the meaning of Weti that Mami for Kumba. He don't move am. He shake ground. That talk with Mami move am. For shake ground for Kumba. It not only end for Kumba. Ground for Yaoundé the shake. We go for there. We see what Mami talk and why this one be important and how now the policy this going forward throughout Ambazonia for all man. So we go enter for the story, but as always, when we meet up for here, now the time we take the time for connect for our people, our friends where they watch for Facebook, while we know say most of our people that they watch for ACN, for the Ambazonian Liberation TV. We also get our friends where they watch for Facebook. So make us take a moment and salute all our friends and like tradition for this platform. So when we meet up, we show love for one another. We salute each other. So make us salute our friends and where they join with for Facebook. Anya, I salute you, comrade Anya. Yes. Vive la vie. You don't stay where I see you. I know. I salute you. Madame Vivi Lavie. Yes, you talk say 500 Amoka salute. Thank you very much. Vivi Lavie. Fine name, Vivi Lavie. Vivi Lavie a somewhere.
Anya.
We salute you.
Comrade Anya. Yes. Vivi la vie. You know?
Power off.
All right. Amber Force. We caught you cafe too. Yes. I say, we're big fine, mommy. Mami Irene. We salute you, mommy. That dirty today for here. Usman, we salute you, Mr. Ibrahim. We salute all now. Yeah, Franco Akum. We salute you, Mr. Franco. Welcome, Mr. Franco Akum. All right. Tama, we salute you, Mallet. All right. Comrade Fongwa. Fonkwe, we salute you, Mr. Paul. We salute all now. Chibikom, we salute you, Mr. Onda. Welcome, Ray. We salute you, Comrade Ray. Welcome, all man. All right. Comrade Wanji, we salute all now. Comrade John Wanka, too don't come for Can John We. Comrade Wilson, too don't come for Can John We. All right. Comrade Tigno, we salute you. Mr. Offer, we salute you. Mr. Collins, welcome all man for house. Comrade Bishop, too don't come for house. All man Wilson, we salute all now. When I welcome for house. The story today, we go shake place. As always, when we meet up for here, now for Jam La Republique du Cameroon, now for shake Paul Bia, right? So we go shake Paul Bia. Mami for Kumbase. Make we shake Paul Bia. So we go shake him. Comrade Rudolph, to don't come. We salute all una welcome for house. All man for house, una welcome. Yes, Comrade Ndi, we salute you too. Comrade Neba, welcome for house. All man, una welcome. As always. So my fellow Ambazonians, make we start with the good news. We don't come up for that side for United States of America, the big country when I uphold democracy for the entire world. The big country, when I uphold human rights, the country, when I want make people to become free, the first country for the world, where it invoke the right for self-determination. It be na the people for America. Now the American people then, they be the first people then for the world, where they talk say, it's not fine, make people they live under other people their occupation. It's not fine. So the people for America, now then they start this thing, say self-determination. Now they start them. They scatter the British Empire. They talk, say they want their independence. And they get them. So, my fellow Ambazonians, neither the good people of America, the great people of the United States of America, as they don't get the new president-elect, Oga Joe Biden. So, Mr. Biden, they put together the people, then where they go be ministers, as for America, they call and say secretaries. So now we got Biden. It don't look. It look. It can't say. He said the way we want shape a foreign policy. He want make a foreign policy. We go bring more peace, for promote more human rights. So the good news for the Ambazonian people, then, na say, Papa Joe Biden. We go be na the new small time go be na the new president of America. He don't put a team together, a team of ministers. Now we Pa Joe Biden as an expert, they don't announce him yesterday for night. They talk say Papa Joe Biden, he don't select some man where in mind he did for make the world make it be a better place. For now he go be the new Secretary of State. Now he go be the new Secretary of State for the United States for Oga Joe Biden the administration. And that person, they call him Anthony Blinken. Oga Anthony Blinken, na a serious diplomat, where he and Hillary Clinton, they be na person we did for behind Hillary Clinton when Obama be there. He be Deputy Secretary of State. So he get a lot of experience and he know what did really happen throughout the world, especially for Ambazonia. Na person where he know, na person where he believe for human rights, na person where he believe for self-determination. So na very good news for the Ambazonian people then. Say Joe Biden, he don't select person where go be na a Secretary of State. Na person where believe for human rights, he believe for the right for people then for become free. He don't play big part. So that's one thing where Ambazonia will get for the look forward to this good news. Say we'll go get a good partner for the White House. A good leader where will be the new Secretary of State, where he understand the issues, he understand the problem, he understand La République, he know the history of Ambazonia. So this one are really good news to the Ambazonian people. So for be very hopeful. So this new administration, it will be a good partnership with the Ambazonian people. Them now an administration where for the big man for the State Department, where our leaders them, our diplomatic team them, they look forward, for getting a good working relationship for the recognition, for the freedom, and for the independence of the Ambazonian people there. So this one are really, really good news. Now something we all we get for be very optimistic. Now something we all we get for the look forward to. Not a very good news for the Ambazonian people. So we get for the prepare what diplomatic files them. I know say I yes say work do already start for background. Work do already start as they announce in name. Things already start for move for make sure say they start for make the big things that may happen. So for the first news that I want to deliver them. So now make a take una we go for as always, say for here we start now for battle la Republic, now for jam la Republic, and so as a result, most of what we do now for make sure say we educate the Ambazonian people for how la Republic as a failed state, as a country where you don't get hope, you don't get any future, as a country we don't chakara. I want to bring una a story where come out for La Republique du Cameroon yesterday. For showing how bad that country be. For point time, how La Republique du Cameroon don't scatter as a country. It need to exist again. Cameroon as a country, they again. So, now yesterday, they don't send me video for that side for La Republique du Cameroon. For one of their players, a player for their indomitable lion. Ambazonian, we wanna watch this video and then we'll get the story. Make I put a picture for here.
Monsieur. Enfin, qui est ce monsieur? Oui, pourquoi est-ce qu'il est là?
My fellow Ambazonians, what you the see him? Now a former player that. Now a former player. Now in this. Onana. Now a former player of La Republique du Cameroon, their national team. A former player. A person who is supposed to be a hero for that country. Now the shit whole country that if you take care of even the people the way they don't sacrifice for them. Give the country a name. When I watch, now their former football player this. Now in that, it is sleep now for street.
Pourquoi est-ce qu'on l'abandonne là?
On ne sait pas si ça fait qui sait pourquoi. Quand on parlait à nous insulter, de tout et de rien. Moi-même insulté parce que nous regardons que je suis pas là. Que je suis pas là. Je ne suis pas encore là.
Donc c'était un ancien sportif?
Oui, d'ailleurs, un capitaine même.
Moi je suis un entraîneur national de karaté au Cameroun. Et j'ai mal quand on abandonne les sportifs ainsi. Que pensez-vous qu'on peut faire pour lui?
Là où il est là, sa santé ne va pas. Il a un problème, un sérieux problème de santé.
Oui.
Il a un sérieux problème de santé là où il est. Mais il se lève à peine. Même se lever, il ne peut pas se lever. Même pour manger, c'est le problème.
My fellow Ambazonians, if I make we begin to see these kind of things, make we see the kind of country where Paul Biya don't belong. The kind legacy where Paul Biya don't live on. If Paul Biya and Cameroon, they not fit take care of their own. This one are their own picking. Not be na Tato Stephen, not be na Tato James. This one are not their own. This one are a citizen of La Republique du Cameroon. He play for their national team. It give that name a good, it give that country, try to give that country a good name. Now in that today, it is staying for street. They don't leave it, it's staying for street. They don't leave it, it's staying for outside, for road. If they not fit take care of even their own picking them, their own heroes. Now Ambazonia they can't take care of. If they not fit take care of their own people them, when they are international superstar, then Ambazonia they can't be schools, then Ambazonia they can't be hospital. Then for Ambazonia, La République du Cameroon, it can't be good roads. If their own international superstar, they never feel for carry them, take them, go for hospital. They never feel for give them chop for chop. Or put them for small house. Now that their own international superstar that. They leave me stay for streets. Why? Because the country need to exist. Because the country as Cameroon, it don't know how to do things. It know they. So not being at the people then this way, you feel talk say, we feel count on them. See, after all this war, they go can't do the right thing for the Ambazonian people then. If they not fit take care of their own international superstar, now the people then that way they talk say the one can reconstruct Ambazonia. Their own international superstar will play for the Indomitable Lions. They never fit forgive Chop. Chop no day. They live it for outside. It is sleep now for streets like Chris Man. Now the useless country that we they call and say Cameroon. Now the most disgraceful country that for the world. Now poor be a country that we don't live on. It don't become as Donald Trump call and shithole. Na Chakara country. Now people the way the wicked past devil, the wicked past what they call and say evil, even to their own people. So bad. So my people, the reason why they bring this thing, now just for show you how as they call them, as Mimi for the column, they call and say dilapidated. How La République du Cameroon it be dilapidated. It don't scatter. It don't really scatter. But that one of our concern, this one I just for show we to the extent where no Ambazonia enough count or depend on these people then for anything. And that's why our people then they rise up because they don't know, they don't see a lot of these things then for so long. They talk say no, will not ever be part of this system anymore. Now make a take una a show a bring una waiting that they do one for the Ambazonian people then. Waiting that they do one with a lot of the Ambazonian boys them, man picking them, where they arrest them. Now waiting La République du Cameroon, it did do one with the Ambazonian, a lot of Ambazonian, with the thousands and the hundreds of Ambazonian, where it did arrest them. Waiting when I think say La République du Cameroon they do them. When I think say they go put them for prison. When I think say that they go keep them for some place where La République du Cameroon, it go one day they will carry them go court. What did they really do with Ambazonians? Where La République du Cameroon, it pick them for road, it move them for motor, it go catch them for their house. Now what did they do with what people then? Why Ambazonia did they disappear? Why Ambazonia the way they pick them, where they go move them for their house? Why Ambazonia the way they pick them for road? They move them inside motor. They do catch them. Now what did La République du Cameroon it did really do with those Ambazonians? If we don't know what they do with people then. Some video don't come off outside yesterday. Where it revealed a lot of what they do with what boys them. When they catch them. When they pick them up. What La République do with them. We say La République du Cameroon they carry them go. Now they talk this. We will go for bring them. Before we enter for the big story. We carry all we bring we for this place for today. make a play una that video for that boy. Now the video this we don't make and say make their face not show for outside, but the boys them they be succeed for run for some place where like the public will keep them. Una hear the story itself.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, you know. Actually,
now we cover their face. They don't run. They be there for some place. They run.
Papi, the one way they be.
Okay, this is Papi. Papi, it be a victim of the circumstances. It be get involved with the struggle since as we the terrorist La Republic be like kind of as Pobia declare war. It pick up weapon. So he fight. Actually, he do his best in order to protect his own people, and he be do that with the sense that he protect his own people, and it be normal. So it happens say things they go wrong due to some circumstances and you know find it easy because he get the family to live with and the family to live with, so he decide to quit. Since as well DDR they detaining me or they call and wait, they play they keep people they keep their arm as government don't form and way it not be correct. So Papi be decide say you know if you go DDR because like Yannick Kawakawa it talk like today say you know, be forced or you know be in a way where it be treated as they be convincing. So it make Papi be very inconvenient for go for DDR. So he say one go learn in machine work, he want go back for a duty for like cash up because he been a Okada rider. So he don't struggle so take it there for Limbe. As if go Douala, you know, show as work they go on. So he can Limbe, so military be cashy. Now Papi this on know the video on for social media. So he don't struggle now, he escape. And he escape in the sense the way he did, it shows a baby face, the most terrorous and the most dangerous military man where he claim and where Ambazonia be give you freedom, Ambazonia be give you space when we were together. Ambazonia be give you space for like me operate under the military command. It don't work with Menja, it don't work with Mautu, it don't work with all the CC plantation like a security officer when I'm military. And we know that before this issue, you know, people of Isa Banga will know before this struggle want to start. So now we catch this man. So the man will escape. He take a go for a private say. I'm talking about these other people. As soon as I pray, so these 3 others, it shows that they happen to escape the issue because they find themselves they've been locked up in the same way. They never be government, never recognized. No NGO recognized, no amnesty, no recognized. I'm talking about the Latvian government. They claim they don't give amnesty to people where they no fit. As you see 3 people, as soon as I see 3 people, so they comment on Malende. Malende where they got Kivo, Malende, 17 people. This way they catch them. So they happen to they catch them 4. So this way they happen to escape as they catch them go.
Yes.
So now in this, it happens to escape. But I know disclose where they are now. I know disclose where they are now, but I just say we to do our findings because we don't want the La Republic military to kill us. If we not come right directly to when you go down to Supermon, there's an entrance towards our level, they call it gravel pit. There are corpses there lying more than 32. Where military they can't kill them. They say West Bean, this people is supposed to be one. They can't take it every day. They can't kill them one by each by order.
Okay.
They can't take the one go kill them for days. So I make it scare them where they don't feel get that hard for withstand the detention.
Thank you. So we go like more and talk small brief thing. And what we talk about your being, be where they lock you and how you there outside. It's been very brief.
They be take me for Malindi, where they be killed 17 of my brother them. They take me 4, take we go for Boya. So second we will never no play with Fedi. They might choose we for day. We did for day. We did before they move to our border on Monday. They go 2. They can't kill them for Pundu.
Which do you know any name?
Dixon. And then I'm they call Young Money. We did have a Bonacana. We family.
With who?
Aaron. Not Young Money named that. Aaron.
They call Young Money say Aaron.
Yes.
Do they are dead be confirmed?
Yes. Confirmed. And we their family we come for they can find them. The genocide no man no day for day.
And where they be there?
Where they all will be there for SID. Yesterday they moved one again, they go kill him.
Which be name?
Frederick. Yes.
From where? Come outside.
No, sorry. Where we say they be taking up for road for for my 30 side. So they go kill us today. Again, they go category. Go kill us. Go kill them.
So what happen now?
We thank God, say God make us say move run. Come off a window run.
We broke the sea overnight, 4 of us. So we come on at around 10 o'clock, broke the floor run. We can everything say bush to find
Top play,
find ourselves.
That's good. Okay. Well, now the people this way, Babyface and the crew, they commit genocide to Southern Cameroon. Who innocent people kill them and put them into a private sale, bury them alive and something like that. Now clear testimony this. Most of their friends they call their names, they not be no more. So they begin to kill them as the way they kill the other one day before yesterday. So this boy they be decided to say rather than for die like that, they be fight for their safety. Until now, you can see them, they don't struggle to find themselves for the position where they did now. So we thank God for everything. And Bazonia, we go observe this one. United Nations will observe this one, and many of them go observe this one. The one a clear fact say there's genocide. There's a military. It's coincide with the government, military and the government. They are working upon a negative aspect. They are killing our people. They are killing the English for no reason. So anyway, we go observe, and as we go see, Mighty Man will get anything to talk about it.
Okay, actually, I want to just talk with the another video go viral. It'll go very viral. I just beg you now. When I observe, when I look for yourself, we don't kill people and we cannot kill people. I'm talking about the Ambazonian Restoration Forces. We don't kill people. The military, especially the man they call Babyface, I will do for his name. I'll find a name somehow. I'll talk Dylan. Somehow that's what they call it.
Dylan, Babyface, Dylan.
Babyface Dylan.
Dylan Senke is one of the highest genocide killer.
In the work of the Republic, Nike man
is a military man.
Na military man, but it do a lot of genocide. It kill people. Even when they can't go take chop, they be kill some of the corner here we can take chop. Now Babyface we do by the title. So I just beg Unamuna look am. This people they be saved by God's grace. So we Ambazonia, we don't kill people. They use ourselves. They use the name of Ambazonia. They describe they dress like us. Because we don't have uniform. They do things like us because of money making. They kill our own people. Put it on our head. We will never kill our own people. So as you can see for yourself.
Go ahead.
Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, as you can see for yourself. These people don't struggle. I don't even know them. I don't know where they're about. But now they tell we now for here. So we always struggle because they don't say their family don't make death ceremony for them.
Yes, they don't even know that they exist.
They don't even know they exist, but they don't come here.
Wonderful testimony.
So it'll be a wonderful testimony for una forget them. We don't kill people. We have Amazonian Restoration Force, so we don't kill people.
We don't kill our own.
It is very clear that we are fighting for our freedom and we will keep on fighting. But the Republic always use like advantage. Use some of us. Use our name. That we do such. We don't take people for money. We don't take people for harassment. We need kidnap people. Woja, you be number one. Babyface, you be number one. The other people them, when I do the thing there for background, when I make a restoration force, they get back name. I'm talking about Ambazonia force them. Because now I'm money making. I do want the pass, it'll go around for Namuna Yera, international body. Today, it starts. And we'll do our best. The date of today.
It's 72. It's
yeah.
What?
Now if put this, we need to say under torture.
Under serious torture.
Yeah, back. We are close.
See, you see this one in food. Under serious torture.
See food. Oh, if we don't dry.
See.
My fellow Ambazonians, la République du Cameroon, for wipe the Ambazonian people them, for wipe our young men them, for scatter one man picking them, for reduce one man picking them, he go arrest them for different sides from Ambazonia in the name of Kale, in the name of this war, he go move them for inside house, pick them for moto, carry them everywhere that they travel, he go put them for different place. A lot of those army them, as this boy that he confess now, they got their own private prisons. They go seize people their house. They turn them into private prisons. Keep these boys them there. Go begin to move them one after the other. Go kill them. Just kill them. Abandon them. Now the thing this way, la République du Cameroon, it is doing for the Ambazonian people them. When I don't hear for ourselves. Luckily, those 3 boys, they succeed out of how many? Now, how many they don't kill, and before these last 4, they finally succeed for come on? How many? As they talk, say they keep some place, they go throw away their body for day, almost 30 something. Imagine how many of these things and they go across, they happen for all across the Ambazonian territory. How many? Imagine only one of their military commander. Now they do that one for that area where this boy they describe them. What about all the other places across Ambazonia? So just imagine how many Ambazonians will La Republique the kill them for back every single day. How many? Now the thing is so they don't consider we. Now the thing is so they don't tell their military what they do for we. Now the thing is so they don't tell them what they do for our mommy them, what they do for our papa them, what they do for our people. That's why it be very important. We put this information outside, make all our people they understand. C'est la République du Cameroun, police, gendarme, army, and B. For Ambazonia, every Ambazonian an enemy for them. Every Ambazonian who they see, as long as you be an Ambazonian, whether it be an old papa, or it be an old mommy, whether it be a big papa or big mommy, for them, as long as you be an Ambazonian, that means they get for eliminate you. That's why the governing council of Ambazonia, we don't talk say the Ambazonian people them. Now people the way they be in danger of elimination. And it be the call on the world. May the world woke up, it protect the Ambazonian people them. The world no year. Now it be left to the Ambazonian people them. See young boy them. How many they don't kill them? Now the matter that, now the crimes and that way like the public commit them for our land. And that's why a lot of these young boys them, a lot of our people them, every person, it don't woke up now, it talks he must speak iron for defend themselves. Now the matter that. Then Mami for Kumba, you know end for day. Mami for Kumba talk say, this matter, where Paul Biya, he declare war on the Ambazonian people them, he send the army them, may they begin to kill our people them. Mami for Kumba talk say, this matter not correct. Big Mami for Kumba talk say this matter not correct. He say not correct on the surface of the earth. This matter not correct. Mami for Kumba talk say no fish don't quiet. Mami look am. They keep picking for Kumba. Paul Biya she don't make propaganda. Mami for Kumba say now wait to this. They go kill my people then finish me. I go she don't quiet say wait. They go to do this thing for our people. Go burn house do this thing. Why we go she don't quiet? Mami for Kumba talk say no. We no fish she don't quiet anymore. Mami for Kumba talk say, if we continue for she don't quiet, these people they will think say be okay. Say if we can't do this thing for we, because you she don't quiet. Mami for Kumba talk say no. It better make all man. It woke up. It start for talk the truth. Mami for Kumba talk say all man must stand up for the truth. Until we stand up for our own truth, they go continue to do this thing for our people then. And our people no go ever one day be free. Now Mami for Kumba talk say don't too much. So Mami for Kumba, he woke up, he tell Paul Biya, say Paul Biya, you get to know the truth. That country where they call them Ambazonia, where they call them say Northwest and Southwest, not be part of your country. Oh. Make una hear. Wetin Mami for Kumba talk. And why wetin Mami for Kumba talk? It be na something we go change ground zero. It be na some fire. We don't start that dry season fire. We don't start for all across Ambazonia. Now only 3 weeks ago, another Mami for Kumba woke up. He look at Tanganji for face. He tell Tanganji, say, shut up. He tell Tanganji, shut up. You say what he? You say now God make una begin to do this thing for our people then. He say shut up. Objection. Now we another Mami for Kumba don't woke up. Ambazonia. Una hear what Mami talk for Kumba. Na big Mami. Ide 80 something years. 90s. Una hear.
Kumbadi a souligné Sidouane Tamfou and then chairman for Kona Mama Mama Boum Sali for that side and take care too about the thing because ask the president. I do big salute Sibran, you go for line. Hello, Master Tok. Hello, Conjoman. You are welcome for K-Town. Today, I should not for Mama Ndum Saliwe na Mama will be about 83 years. You don't be a businesswoman for Cameroon. You don't travel. Then you don't be a politician. So you know plenty things the way that be happening for this country, my countryman. So Mama will tell me things the way it don't transpire. It will tell me how the crisis for Northwest and Southwest region it affect me personally as Mami for the kingdom. So now the thing that way me and Mami will talk this particular afternoon, Master Tok. Okay, thank you. No trouble. You know the rest of my plenty time, spend time full, and then technician for doing chairman to Augustine Day for them. Go ahead, talk with Mami, and then friend for put to the accident we have himself to my this week day. Look, we have a commissioner to give him the draw, then we do the talk myself for that side before Kumbadi. Sivan, over to Muna for that side. Mamandu, I'll be happy to say you don't welcome we for your house today.
Thank you, plenty for coming.
Okay, Mami, the first question I'm going to ask you, you will see images them, that way they keep picking them for school for Kuma. How you feel?
Well, my picking, I'm not just tell you. I cry. I will cry. Because first and foremost, that people, they get that school and my friend them. Then I go see how we just kill that picking them. I say, which kind of trouble this? Picking them, what they don't do when they kill them. Oh, I don't know what you have to do. Only for crime. Only for crime. I see how they carry them. Go to the hospital with no charity. I say, well, you don't know what you need to do. They will be. Now they will go say, they're not just cause. Oh, Papa Jehovah. When you help me for this commission, we will go for Saudi Cameroon.
What do you tell this government? Because this crisis don't take place for 4 years to me, and picking them is also die. So what do you tell the government?
My picking, I love how that tell you say.
The first thing, Ambazonians, the first thing when Mami talk, even though the Massa talk, it try for put them for Mami head, say crisis for Northwest and Southwest. Mami reject them. Mami reject them. Mami call them Southern Cameroons. Mami call them Southern Cameroons. We'll continue. Very interesting, Mami. Very intelligent, Mami.
This thing started with teachers and lawyers for 2016. In January 2017, I advised Bia. I said, look, we be papa for country. We be glad for take you as a Christian. We become healthy Christians. Now we don't come to president will worse. I said, when teacher will cry, lawyer will cry. And we said, something be wrong. You therefore pay attention for them. Because if papa be for a compound, then if see small smoke be come out some side, you therefore go look and say, now what did they do for them? They quench them. Because if he leave that smoke, it can't blaze for big fire, it will very, I think that way I be talk. I said, so, make him know, say, if he leave this matter, that was 2017, if he leave the matter, he will regret, and the consequences will be seen now.
How you feel the way Paul Biya and the Cameroon government handle the Anglophone crisis?
I don't know which I should talk because it don't tell me. We said I've been Southern Cameroon and the friend I've been color. I told them how if you hand down my starter, we will hand down how. If they want to get for do, now only for stop this army, they move them. Because when they bring the army, now only you will move them. Even when they talk say Amber boys will not we will be friend B. They only come when army they come to for say when they defend themselves. When they defend because we will not go in the army. We will say we will not go join the bear, then we will run. Make things a go fight. But the La Republic people, they tell me say we be fools, we be dogs, we be rats, we be kill sugar. We not be saying we think say we will be.
You now as possible you don't leave the various system, when you don't leave time for federalism, leave for unity state. How you be take up? You see some federalism if you solve this problem?
We believe for federalism, if we will continue, this problem will for be. Now two styles in the show say now two countries. Now two countries that join, we not be separate because we not be like Republic. We'll be different countries. That's why they talk say separation. So we not be West province when they come up from inside La Republic. We want a freedom because we be a country by ourselves. We will go join another country. Now,
Ambazonians, wetin Honorable Weber, he be talking for La Republic Parliament. For that time, it be been a big talk where it move for people them. 3 years later, Mami for Kumba, that Mami, I think the pastor, we stand up in front of Atanganji. When Atanganji start for make say na God don't give poor the power, na God don't make ye Atanganji, na God give them the power for govern and colonize the Ambazonian people them. That Mami for Kumba tell Atanganji say you better shut up. He say you better shut up. Mami for Kumba tell them say the Egyptians you see today, you see them no more. That's what he tell Atanganji. 3 weeks later, that energy is spread. It spread. He go for the other side for Kumba. He enter for this other Mami. As Massa talk, they take microphone, they put on Mami. Mami start talking. Mami talk say, the only reason why this palaver it happen, now because the Ambazonian people and La Republic don't carry lie. It put them on top. Say Ambazonia will be part of the country. And that's why it cry today. Say that they fight now for make sure say Cameroon remain one and indivisible. Now when Mami talk say Paul Biya that one a lie. Mami talk say me, they born me before they even want start for talk about make the two country. They think about how they fit join. He said they born me. Southern Cameroon will be on the own. We will be a separate country. We will get a country of our own. We get a government of our own. We get our own institutions then. Before this matter, it come, say okay, how the two countries they fit come together and then form a union. Now when Mami talk say even the union, it not even happen. Mami, it talk today. Now the most powerful talk where any person, any human being, they don't move on for that territory. Wait till Mami talk for Kumba. Mami they call all Ambazonians and for the territory. Talk say they say for Ambazonian for become free. The Ambazonian people they must speak the truth. Any man, any pikin, any Mami, any papa, any man, you must rise up for speak that truth and defend your freedom. Until all Ambazonians them, until all Mami them, they woke up like this big Mami, they start for speak that truth, for proclaim and reassert their own truth of which they be. We must, Mami don't show we say, they say, any person, if it overcome fear, you feel overcome the fear of the army, overcome the fear of the police. Mami talk say, I rather speak the truth than for me for the rotting inside will lie. Mommy talks, make us speak the truth and live with a clear conscience than for me for the die slowly because I fear some man. You not fit defend your future with lie. You not fit live. No people they not fit get freedom when they take another man in lie and then they can't she don't quiet. For defeat la République du Cameroon, we must defeat the lie. Every big papa, every big mommy, every house. Imagine all 8 million Ambazonians, they rise up like this, mommy. La République fit catch all man, go lock am. La République fit kill all man. It need a voice for defend the people them. You must first of all stand for the truth. Like that other mommy for Kumba. He tell her time, shut up. Today, when I hear this mommy, they tell Pobia, shut up. Mommy, they tell Pobia, say, Pobia, shut up. No ever talk, say, Ambazonia. Na part of Cameroon. He say, Pobia, shut up. Mommy tell Pobia, he say, now you cause this problem. Because you bring your army of occupation. You can't put them for inside Ambazonia. May they begin to kill our people them. And you be thinking, say, we're picking them. They will just tie their hand and shit on. No. Mommy talks, say, what people, they get right for defend themselves. But for defend yourself, you must defend your identity. You must defend who you be as a person. Before you want even pick gun. Why you the pick gun? You did defend Aweti. You did use the gun now for defend your truth. Now for defend your right. The right to life. The right for live in an environment where if you speak up. Where you get freedom of conscience. You get freedom of speech. You get freedom of thought. You get freedom of opinion. You get freedom for associate and for assemble. You get freedom for criticize, for speak up. Now basic thing in this whole life. They deny them for our people then. But fortunately, people that they rise up. Beautiful mommy that they rise up. Mommy talks, I know if he die. Living a lie. Even if I want to die, make us speak the truth for empower and encourage the young one them. Make us speak the truth for empower and encourage other mommy them, other papa them. This mommy has been a very successful businesswoman. I get a call today with somebody who will tell me, say, yes, now my family mommy that I know he, a very powerful woman. He create very successful businesses and then become a politician. So mommy know the in and out of the game. What a wonderful mommy. Now, imagine this mommy. He talk this truth for Kumba. At that same time when mommy talk this truth for Kumba. When I know what Philemon Yang he do am. While Big Mommy he fight for the dignity of the Ambazonian people then. Philemon Yang he did for Bamenda for Ayaba Hotel. With his gown. He wear probably a gown. He wear CPDM. The Balok gown. With a probably a picture. Philemon Yang he wear probably a gown. With probably a picture for Philemon Yang he back. And probably a head for Philemon Yang he front. He had probably a face. He didn't have for Philemon Yang for front. For tell you how low. While mommy did it, it defend the people, defend their aspiration. You got enablers, you got traitors. They did for Yaoundé. They did sell the lie. They did propagate the lie. They did spread the lie. For promote the occupation. One human being will live for high frequency like this, mommy. It be more powerful than 10 million people that they lie. One human being will live for high frequency, like something they call truth. All right? It be more powerful past 10 million people where they live for lie. I'll give you a perfect example. Today, Philemon Yang, the ex-colonial prime minister, now in that, it go around the divide money for Bamenda, for push the upcoming colonial regional elections. The person will be there before Philemon Yang, Achidiachu. When I no place where they, when I no place where Achidiachu they, Achidiachu they na for America. It is for America, I do it for America. If they be build Cameroon, what Achidiachu they do for America? It is for America for coma on top bed. It is for America for coma. The evils where they don't commit among the Ambazonian people them. It don't retire. You know, every fee for chop the money for the retirement. Because of the evils. Because of the lies. That's why those things, they eat these people up. It chop them up. Even with all the money they don't thief. They be as miserable as anything. Now na Chidiachu dey for on top bed for America. Enough he talk. It the only look he begin and so. Enough he talk. He dey for coma. Totally paralyzed. What did he do for America? People then when you be think say they say they become fathers of a nation. They actually become the people then when they sell the nation. And now they sell the nation and nothing for enjoy the money. They not live in peace. They live in a foreign land. Why actually they actually not go retire for a hometown? Why? Because they sell their people then. They not even fit for go stay for the same land. Where they don't sell the land. They're not fit. And now the same fate go be for all them. That's why when I see in the last 4 years, when I see a Tanganji, see what it don't happen for Tanganji. These lies, they go chop these people them for inside. And that's why I don't start with Pobia. That's why I don't chop Pobia. So the blood of the Ambazonian people them. The spirit of all those speaking, they don't kill them. All those mammy, they don't burn them alive. All those houses, they don't destroy them. Now, I don't make Pobia now. It is like a robot. Enough it turn left, enough it turn right. It look you, you even see something. Now, a woman, they go hold your hand. It says, saluti. Now, a woman, they go hold your hand, stop it. Now, a woman, they go hold Pobia hand. It go check him. It says, saluti. For waiting. Because as they talk the evil that men do live after them. You know, will live after them now when they die. It will live after them now because it will chop them for inside. It will chop all them for inside. All man. When Mami Dede, it is speak up. You get young people them. Like Nick Santos. Like Nsofoncha. Like the Samuel Sako and the Christianos. They don't become the new traitors. The new sellouts. For sell another generation. For destroy the destiny of another generation. When Mami for Kumba, it woke up, it challenged Paul Biya about Ambazonia. And you get other Ambazonians. Where they go stand for do the same thing with the previous generations of sellout they be doing. the mistake where some of these people that they make them. In the past, a lot of those people them they sell Ambazonia because Ambazonia not build an army. Now, Ambazonia don't wise up. Ambazonia don't build an army. So you not fit sell Ambazonia anymore because you get a generation of brave warriors. You got a generation of the General Efan, of the General Cobra, of the General Rambo, of Commander Weapon, of General Sumanguru, of the General Kata, of the General Hassan, of the General Ebube, of General Small Pikin. You got Captain Small Pikin. You got Commander Capo. You got a generation of brave warriors where they represent the hopes, the aspiration, and the dreams of the Ambazonian people then. So you not fit sell Ambazonia anymore. No matter how what you do, no matter how many of these traitors, no matter what they do, the time for sell Ambazonia don't pass. Because we get something will be more powerful past any single one person. One commander for ground, one general for ground. It defend the lives, the hopes, the aspiration of the Ambazonian people then. And no person officer them anymore. Now the ballot that we don't follow these people then. So why they go take Paul their money, the money go hang for their neck. Because as Sako and Chris Anu, they try them. Take Paul their money, take money for Swiss, try for sell Ambazonia. What will happen? Soldier they stand up for ground. Mommy they stand up for ground. Papa they stand up for ground. While people they defend ground zero. Until they look and say, now what it is. Now they don't tie for their neck. Any man will take Paul their money for sell Ambazonia. When I learn from Samuel Sako and Chris Anu, it go tie for una neck. Una no fit sell Ambazonia anymore. The guns, the boys that they put guns in for ground every day. Soldier they deliver. Commander they deliver every day. Leadership they deliver every day. I just heard yesterday, the other day, the leader just talk for something you want a public. Just in the last how many days? The Ambazonia Defense Forces deliver 45 AK for ground. In the last how many days? They deliver 45 AK-47 for ground. Continuously increase the capacity of what will build them for ground. And that one only for the Ambazonia Defense Forces. Not for talk about what the other peripheral forces and the satellite forces. They do them. That one only for ADF. This generation is a generation for chop fire. We no go take no nonsense from any person. No compromise, no day for Ambazonian people, their hopes. Now the thing that Mami talk. Mami don't tell Pobia. There will be no compromise. Get out. Mami tell Pobia, pull their army of occupation out of Ambazonia. Now you declare the war. Now you send an army of occupation. You must move your army of occupation out of Ambazonia. If you don't move them, our forces, they go battle La République du Cameroon block by block until Cameroon is packed out of Ambazonia. I just got a report. La République du Cameroon, it go for one of the communities, I don't even forget, and it start with the N. It go with it go for one of our communities. They army them. They go gather the entire community. They go tell community say me go clear the office and where people they don't drive La République colonial government. So army they come out police and gendarme. They go for community. They go force people them. May they go do manual labor for clear this their colonial SDO, their office, their DO, their office for these communities. General, now they call General FM. Community call General FM saying that they think this way, Cameroon Army, it do them for our people them. General FM immediately dispatch a squad, a 50-man squad. He send them for that community. As they enter for that place, all the Republic, Army, Police, and Gendarme, all they scatter. They run. General FM say not be for Ambazonia. We will not get any more authority for control and treat the Ambazonian people like slaves. They send our forces for they scatter all them, they run. They tell our people they go back for their homes. Authority. Now the generation this. Now the power that. Now the determination that. Now the conviction that. Now the power that for General FM. What forces they control ground zero. That's why no man officer sell them. The guns and way they don't enter ground zero. Now guns, now the AK, they be the voice, they be the guitar, that noise, ding, 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 ding. That sweet sound, ding, 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 grrr, ta 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 ta. That noise, we will not overlike them. That one, now the noise, now the guitar for independence, that. Now the guitar for freedom, that. That beautiful noise, where when it just holler, ta 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 ta. All man knows say, better day. That noise, it make we will feel strong. Will not be a weak generation anymore. Will not be a defenseless people them anymore. Will not be people the way probably if he make na lie. And if he give my people them position. You see you say you come out for this community, they won't buy that community, they give you small position. And then they use your one small position for 5,000 people them. For shut up all man. And then they say now you be elite. Let me say now you be the slave master. For sell all the entire community for pay allegiance to Pobia. That era don't pass. Now na the era of the people. Now na the era where the people they don't decide. They talk say they say the future na Ambazonia. The present na Ambazonia. The past it don't end. The present na a present for defend the land. Because the people they don't rise. The people they get guns. They get guns. They get an army. And it be very powerful. Past all the Republic, police, gendarme, and be them combined. That's why when they see our army, they run. The only thing we keep them from Ambazonia na Amoka. The only thing we remain na Amoka. I will promise them was soldier that they come up with the solutions for Amoka. They did develop a better technology for Amoka. We go show them. Every day was soldiers them for Ambazonian Institute of Technology. They did improve on the precision, on the technology. We go get precise impact for Amoka. It come. Don't they start use them. It's more for, over plenty for the territory. But they did deploy them every day. And they did refine and improve that technology. Until it get to a point which one so check up for Amoka. Like what it happen for Iraq. It come. So, Ambazonians will not get confidence. Will not trust for this generation. Trust your defense forces. Trust the defense leadership we there for ground. They no go fail you. They no go fail you. Una every mission we una give them. Una ask them say una make the territory ungovernable. They deliver them 1,000%. Una talk say stop economic exploitation. They stop them. Una talk say they say increase the cost of occupation. They do them. Una tell them say okay that one not correct. Una tell them say you must make sure say the world see we now like Ambazonians, but they not confuse you anymore. You talk say make Ambazonia a contender. They deliver that result for una. Una talk say okay, give we dynamic control. They deliver dynamic control. Una talk you not correct. We not talk say we want control parameter, we want control area, we want some place where we control them. We not deliver them. They deliver them. That's why plenty places we get blocks for Ambazonia. Where Ambazonia flagged on the fly day for more than 1 year. Plenty places we get a lot of blocks. When a territory we don't take them. We do under what people they are control. They do under the control of our defense forces. And Ambazonia flag the fly day morning, afternoon, and night. And there's nothing like Republic fi do. Enough he enter for those places. Because the weapon we don't put on for those places, it be too powerful for even La Republic. It be too powerful. So even if they are armor car, they come, they not fit enter. That's why you fit trust. Not worry about enablers and traitors and sellouts. Continue for weaponized ground zero. Maybe we continue for put more guns and bullets for ground zero. Maybe we continue for equip our forces. Like yesterday now, this good news don't come. Say the Momo Marines, they don't finally talk, say they want to join the ADF. They want to collaborate with the ADF. They want to become ADF. They make videos. They say they want to be ADF. Now good news. Because it going to help for create cohesion for the forces them. It go help for bring better training, bring better discipline, put a code of conduct, bring leadership, and make the forces that become more effective. So a good example that way Momo Marines don't show up. We wish them good luck, and as they come, we hope say they come with a clean heart for fight now for Ambazonia, for defend Ambazonia, and the leadership will continue for work with them and for help them, may they become more effective for defend that block. So we welcome those soldiers. So we now get confidence for the defense leadership. Now, for ground zero, make all Ambazonians, they know so we not get any government. We not get any government for ground zero. The government of the Ambazonian people them, now our defense leadership, now they lead ground zero. Now they determine what will happen for ground zero. Now they speak on behalf of ground zero. Now the defense leadership, now be the voice of ground zero. Now be the current government for ground zero. La République du Cameroon, not be a government for the Ambazonian people them. They are colonial senators, they are colonial parliamentarians, they are colonial SDOs, they are colonial DOs, na foreign occupiers. The Ambazonian people, they need to take no order from a foreign government. No order. While people need to take order for Paul Biya, while people need to take order for prime minister, for the colonial prime minister, while people need to take order for their minister of territorial administration, while people need to take order from their colonial governors, while people need to take order. That it end for 2016. While people don't take back their lives, take back their country, and our forces, they be in charge of the territory. Now the supreme commander of the Ambazonia Defense Forces, it be the overall general when I represent the political hopes and aspirations of the Ambazonian people then. Because now the champion the fight for Ambazonian liberation. Now they hope that for our people then. Now for the day now. Until the leadership is start to put the transition authority for ground. Before that transition authority, it go take power from the defense leadership. For now, because of the circumstances on the ground, now the defense leadership, now they also act as the political leadership for the Ambazonian people then. Tomorrow, we go to talk about the colonial election where they come. Tomorrow, we go to send a powerful warning for any fund and any chief we decide for put in name, we decide for participate for the colonial election. Tomorrow na the discussion that. Tomorrow we'll get how they call them. The talk for tomorrow no be easy. The message will go send them for the chiefs and the fund them no go be easy. The message from the general it no go be easy for any person. No time not they get with the Ambazonian people. They go tolerate traitors. No time not they with the Ambazonian people go take a passive approach to these traitors. The time not there again. So I thank una plenty. So una don't join with for today. Una don't join with for examine what you want me for Kumba talk and why that talk be very important, especially for place where all we there now. Why all Ambazonia them? Whether you doing that for ground zero or you do for ground one? Why you get for adopt the attitude of Mami for Kumba? Why every big Mami? Why be important? We'll get for take that message for send them for all Mami them, for all Papa them. Now they talk that for ground zero. Stand for the truth of Ambazonia. Any place where you day, make La République du Cameroun. Whether you did that for Facebook, confront their bloggers, whether they call you people from the Northwest and Southwest. The other day I hear say that the République du Cameroun, their embassy, they be the host of meeting for invite a lot of Ambazonians and Camerooners. I hear say Ambazonian they enter for a meeting and the make it be very known for La République du Cameroun, even including their ambassador for telling say Ambazonia and La République du Cameroun they not be one, and we hear say the meeting become to an end. Just like Dr. Larry Ayamba, he stand up for inside Belgium. He tell the colonial delegation, he said, may they get the fuck out. He tell them, may they stop the nonsense. So any place where you see La République du Cameroun make propaganda against Ambazonia, stand up, defend Ambazonia. Challenge their propaganda. Whether not for Facebook, challenge them. Whether not for WhatsApp audios, challenge them. Challenge their narratives. Not leave and make their narrative take 1 second. You don't need any person a permission for debunk a lie. You don't need any person a permission. Stand up and defend Ambazonia. Because all we will be soldiers of the revolution, as Dr. Abaddon talking. All we will be soldiers them like Mami for Kumba. Mami for Kumba na a soldier of the revolution. Yes. We want to tell our people for Kumba. We not protect Mami for Kumba. We not protect the people of Kumba. We know say once a powerful voice, a divine voice, it woke up, it rise up, it talk that kind of talk. La République get only one way for respond. Because the people where they fear truth, they go can't catch Mami go lock up. So we call on our people for K-Town for protect our Mami. For protect our Mami. And if Paul Biya and La République du Cameroun, may they can't show the well how Ambazonia it become part of La République du Cameroun. May they can't show the well. TV for them. So now they talk this for today. We thank you plenty. Defend Ambazonia for any place you day. And in the coming days, we'll get more and more interviews them. We'll bring quality interview them. We'll make sure we'll bring people the way they feel talk better talk for our people them. People they feel inspire our people them. People they feel mobilize our people them. As well, the last thing before I go, make una sabi say for place we day, we go for Project Ground Zero. We go for build a powerful army. We go for defend Ground Zero. We go for show the new Biden administration. So be serious for we for take back our country. And why the need for recognize Ambazonia and support our quest for self-determination. Alright? So make all man commit. Make sure say you commit for TTOF. Make sure say you make your contribution for the stabilization plan. Between now and December, every Ambazonia It get for make sure say we make Christmas or ground zero, make it shine. We make ground zero, make it be so powerful. We were people that will chop the best Christmas. So that even we are prisoners of war, they go see the forces for ground. They see a big force. Even the prisoners of war, they will laugh. They will smile. They will get peace of mind. They know say the time for them, for they come home, it don't they reach. We got for make them this Christmas, all the refugees them for Nigeria, they get hope say they will come home small time. All right? So make all man commit for TTOF. Make sure say you make your contribution for the stabilization plan. When I feel contact me directly, when I feel contact the executive office, when I feel contact all our mission them, if you need any help, I feel direct you. Whether you doing for ground zero, or you do for Nigeria, or you do for any part of the globe. When I feel call, you feel direct you how you feel make that contribution directly to the egg of sea Central Treasury. All right? May God bless una. May God keep una safe. Una continue for be hopeful. Continue for be optimistic. Continue for believe for Ambazonia. Continue for stand for Ambazonia. Because we'll be a proud generation who will don't make a collective decision for make sure so we'll end Cameroon occupation of our country and forgive our people them hope. Forgive our people them dignity. Forgive our people them better life. For make sure so our people them too, they experience the fullness of this life when our freedom and prosperity. All right? Una good night. May God bless all una. At time kuna plenty. Say every time we come here, una they also take the time for join we. We'll be very happy. So we'll get a means and a medium for interact, for communicate. We'll create programs and we will allow our people then they will call directly, participate, contribute, and for share ideas. So, but for now, I want time kuna plenty. As always, we love una plenty. Make una get a beautiful night. Make una get a good night.